Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today we've got an exciting video for all you design enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the must-have bathroom design trends for 2024, handpicked by the pros. Whether you're planning a renovation or just looking for some inspiration, this video is packed with detailed and easy-to-follow insights. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things design. Let's get started. Our first trend for 2024 is all about embracing the future with smart bathroom technology. Imagine controlling your shower temperature with a voice command or having a mirror that displays the weather forecast while you brush your teeth. Smart toilets, motion sensor faucets, and integrated sound systems are becoming increasingly popular. These technological advancements not only add convenience but also elevate the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Moving on to our second trend, nature-inspired designs are making a big splash in 2024. Incorporating natural elements like wood, stone, and plants brings a sense of tranquility and serenity to your bathroom. Think about using eco-friendly materials and earthy color palettes to create a spa-like atmosphere right in the comfort of your home. Now let's talk tiles. Bold and vibrant tile choices are taking center stage this year. Whether it's a statement wall, a funky backsplash, or even colorful floor tiles, don't be afraid to go bold with your choices. Geometric patterns, textured tiles, and unique shapes are fantastic ways to add personality to your bathroom space. Our fourth trend focuses on minimalist and sleek fixtures. Clean lines and simple designs will dominate the bathroom scene in 2024. Opt for streamlined faucets, minimalist vanities, and sleek lighting fixtures to achieve a contemporary look. This design approach not only looks stylish but also creates a sense of openness in smaller spaces. Adding warmth to your bathroom is a key trend for 2024, and one way to achieve this is through warm metal accents. Say goodbye to cool stainless steel and embrace warm tones like brushed brass, copper, and gold. These accents can be incorporated through faucets, cabinet hardware, or even in the framing of mirrors, creating a luxurious and inviting ambience. Now let's talk about the focal point of many bathrooms, the bathtub. Freestanding bathtubs are making a comeback in 2024. These elegant fixtures not only provide a sense of luxury but also offer flexibility in positioning within your bathroom. Choose from modern, sculptural designs to classic clawfoot tubs to make a statement in your space. And there you have it, the top bathroom design trends for 2024, carefully selected by the pros. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking to make a few updates, incorporating these trends will undoubtedly give your bathroom a fresh and modern look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow design enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which trend you're most excited to try out.